Hello everybody! Today, we will be looking at small drones that are around $30 that can actually fly. First, we have the DWI Dowellin. This drone comes in at around $30 and it is getting a 4 stars rating. So, with that many stars, you can be sure that it actually does fly. In fact, it flies so well, it goes over and under and around furniture with ease. Also, it does one-trick clicks and all that good stuff too. Look, if you're lazy, you don't even have to use the controller. Just smack it around with your hand and see what happens. Don't smash it too hard, of course. Or just move it around in the air like so. I think this guy is just bad with controllers. That's really what it is. Q9s Drone. This Q9s drone is rated 4.5 star at the moment, which for these types of drone is almost impossible, but I assure you it's true. I don't know the exact price because it's not available for sales at the moment, but it's probably around the $30 mark. So, what's so special about this drone? It comes with LED, so you can fly when it's dark. How about that? Syma X20. Well, I gotta tell you, this brand is one I've actually heard of before, so that is definitely a good sign. And it's so brave, it actually dares to come in gold. We sure don't see that often nowadays. This drone comes in at around $33 and is currently rated 4 stars and a half. Lastly, we have the INKPOT i06. It's on sale for $29.99 and is rated 4.5 stars. But maybe this drone doesn't actually fly. Look, even the promo video shows it crashing. If you enjoyed this video, please press that like button and subscribe for more entertaining hobby videos. Thank you.